is right. The stuff only don't is not shite. I have to go in there to see what is going on. I just got here and now I'm seeing. To see that the door is open I guess my prediction's true. If you see that it is, see my predictions right.
Hey, it's your boy Doda, the big spirit. I be rapping these days, playing Fortnite these days. Oh, get a W, go W, and I'm like, bro, hey, bro, I got money in the bank. He's like, hey, 4K, 20K, hey, AK, oh, AK-47, pop, pop, you're dead. Hey, it's a boy. Hey, let's go. The kid Larry Tyler, bro. Oh, we be going. We're rapping. Chopping. Just dab, like tap. I'm rap. You told me I would just go away, put it with the gun, and pop, you're dead like a hun. You would be toast if I didn't come and carry you. It's the boy, yes sir, the biggest bird.
It's our biggest bird.
Hey, kids be scared I'll be running away, and they're like, please, I'll do anything just fair. Yo, hey, I told them, one more shot and I'll be dead, though. Come on, bro. Gotta be easier than that. Hey, clipped him like, he told me I'm better than clicks and impossible, but I'm like, pa. Oh, hey, it's Doda. Oh, hashtag Leo. Got my man Tyler with me.
Yeah.
Let's go. And y'all be saying, man, you so trash. Mike, listen to your voice. You're probably like a 5-year-old trying to kill for. Yeah, probably 4-year-old, 5-year-old. I don't know. Trying to play Fortnite. Oh wait, it's 7 p.m. I think it's your bedtime. Put an AK with a bag. I never told you, I never want to be sad. He told me go back. I'm like Kobe, and then he shot back. Put it back with the gun. He told me just go back. I'm like, hun, do you even know who I am? He's like, who? I'm like, 2. He's like, 2 what? Then back, 2 shots on his body. He's dead. Police are coming, 5 stars on me. Oh, what, bro? This ain't on GTA. Who knows?
Ooh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, the door is really open. I guess that my prediction's true. All of you, I guess my prediction's true.